You searched how to buy shares of Enento Group Oyj. Enento is a Finland-based provider of credit information and risk management services, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ENENTO.HE. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy ENENTO.HE, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Open the platform search and type the ticker ENENTO.HE to locate the listing. Make sure you select the Enento Group Oyj entry on CBOE EU to find the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company overview and a live price chart for ENENTO.HE. Double-check the company description and exchange to confirm this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, carefully review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute later, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new Enento position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. If you want to try the example platform, the eToro link is available in the description below.